on TikTok. I have a political question for you. Now, why is it that there have been no charges until now of treason against Trump at all? Remember all that stuff that he did? Does anybody else remember the mountain of the avalanche of iniquity that just terrorized us for the past 4 years? Anyway, so please stitch this, and if you know why not? And what can we do to make sure that this arsenal and this entourage of idiots are criminals, mafia gangsters, neo-Nazi turds are brought to justice? What can we do? Stitch, do it, this, blow it up, and let's get the discussion going. And please follow me on YouTube and Instagram so I can go live on there.